Introducing the Thermal Conductivity Kit by industry leader C-Therm Technologies. C-Therm's innovative sensor technology has been empowering high-accuracy thermal conductivity characterization for top material researchers around the world for over 25 years. C-Therm is now offering a low-cost entry-level system, perfect for academic researchers with a limited budget. C-Therm's TCkit offers thermal conductivity testing of solids, powders, and pastes up to 60 watts per meter Kelvin. The TCkit includes a flex transient plane source sensor. The 13mm diameter sensor is temperature rated to 80 degrees Celsius and suitable for testing a wide range of polymers, composites, ceramics, and metals. C-Therm software provides full data acquisition and regression analysis while being intuitive and easy to use. Clients are additionally provided a reference material for verifying performance of the system. Detailed instructional manual, online installation, training tutorial, and up to 2 hours additional tech support by telephone or email. The system requires a Keithley source measure unit, sold separately, and a Windows-based PC. The kit works in sandwiching the sensor between two samples. An electrical current heats the sensor, and the rise in temperature is analyzed via the software in regressing the thermal conductivity of the sample material. This method for measuring thermal conductivity is consistent with ISO 22007 Part 2. But lacks the bridge circuit design required for satisfying the full requirements of the ISO standard. Researchers desiring to run full compliance with the ISO standard or seeking higher sensitivity and broader temperature ranges should consider C-Therm's Trident thermal conductivity instrument. The TCkit is, however, an excellent option in providing a basic capability at an attractive price point. The kit is used for both research purposes and by instructors teaching heat transfer courses in applying the kits as part of a lab unit. Sample lab exercises are available in helping instructors incorporate the kit into assigned coursework. Learn more about C-Therm's Thermal Conductivity Kit in visiting www.thermalconductivitykit.com.